challenge required killing your automation runs. Let's break down what triggers it and how to stop it so your operations run 24/7. Instagram triggers the challenge required error when it detects activity that looks automated, suspicious, or inconsistent with normal human patterns. But if you rely on automation or large-scale public web scraping, this error can disrupt your workflows, halt data collection, and cause serious delays. So if you want to avoid these interruptions and bypass the Instagram challenge required error, you need to understand what sets it off in the first place. The most common triggers include unrecognized login environments when logging in from a new device, a different browser profile, or a headless automation setup that Instagram hasn't previously linked to that account. Suspicious IP activity when using free data center IP ranges tied to bots, rapid rotation of IPs, too many accounts tied to the same IP, or mismatched geolocation versus device fingerprint. Outdated or corrupted session data when running old app versions, having corrupted cache files, or using expired cookies that can make valid sessions look suspicious. Unstable network connectivity when TLS handshakes fail, SSL connections are unstable, or the network is congested, causing authentication retries that resemble bot behavior. Server-side issues on Instagram's end when the authentication system experiences downtime or delays. So how do you avoid and solve the challenge required error? Here are the best Instagram challenge required fixes that can get your automation and scraping back on track. Number 1. Verify your account from a recognized device. It's the first thing you should do when hitting this Instagram automation error. Log in manually from a device or environment that Instagram already recognizes and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you're back in, enable two-factor authentication to stabilize future logins. For automation workflows, this usually means logging in through a trusted browser before running your scripts. And here's something important: don't jump straight back into high-volume automation. Ease in with normal-looking activity and then gradually scale back up. Number 2. Clear outdated session data and rebuild clean authentication. Old cookies, corrupted cache files, or outdated app sessions can make Instagram flag your activity as suspicious. So clear session data, re-authenticate manually, and generate fresh cookies for your automation stack. Then log in again manually before running any automation or scraping scripts. This ensures the new session matches your environment and reduces mismatched authentication state, failed logins, and repeat challenge required loops. Number 3. Use reliable residential proxies for Instagram. If you want to fix challenge required on Instagram for automation or scraping workflows, you need reliable, ethically sourced proxies. Residential and mobile proxies ensure your connections look authentic, so you're far less likely to trigger challenge required during automation. By combining your tools with these proxies, your requests will route through genuine, dynamic IPs in your target regions. That means you can keep a unique IP identity per account, maintain consistent geolocation, and align traffic with human-like network patterns. As a result, you get higher session stability and fewer challenge-required interruptions as you scale, which means scraping Instagram without getting blocked and avoiding Instagram blocks while automating multiple accounts. Remember, challenge required is Instagram telling you your setup doesn't match human behavior or expected login patterns. So verify your accounts on recognized devices, clean sessions, and use proxies for Instagram, and your automation will stay reliable at scale. If you need ethically sourced Instagram proxies for scraping, multi-accounting, or automation at scale, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a reliable proxy setup for your Instagram workflows so you can scale with confidence.